Hey there, thanks for installing EmbedAny. Let's make your store pop by embedding exciting content. EmbedAny is the simplest tool to embed iframes in Shopify, and here is a quick tutorial on how to use it. The killer feature of the app is that wherever you paste a link on your store, we can convert it into a widget. That's it. Copy your link and paste it anywhere, be it rich text boxes, product descriptions, blog posts, headings, grids, multi-columns, literally anywhere. So that's it? Well, almost. There is one small but important step. You have to make the link italic by clicking this I button in text editors. Wherever you paste a link, make sure to make it italic, and that's how the app detects it and converts it into widgets. So to summarize, paste the link, make it italic, and save. There is another bonus method to add embeds as well, which might be useful in some scenarios. Here is how that works. Go inside your theme editor and add a section where you want the widget to appear. From the apps list, select EmbedAny. Now on the right, you get the option to paste the link. Copy the link to what you want to embed. It could be Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, PDF, or Forms, etc. Paste your link in the Embed section here and click Save. You now have a working widget for your store. If you're still having issues, just drop us an email at customer support and we'll help you out.